Hello everyone. Let us provide a solution to this simple system of equations x plus y equal to 4 and x multiplied by y equal to 6. Don't forget to like, comment and share to other people. Let's get started. From the first equation, I would like to make either x or y the subject, then plug the result into the second equation. So if we decide to make y the subject, you have to take x to the other side. Already we have 4, right? As x crosses over, it becomes negative x. So instead of y in the second equation, we are going to replace it with 4 minus x. So from the second equation, we have x multiplied by y, which is 4 minus x. And to the other side of this equation, we still have 6. Let us expand. X times 4 is 4x. X times negative x is negative x squared. This is equal to 6. We have 2 times to the left hand side. Let us take them over to the right hand side. This is negative x squared. As it crosses over, it becomes positive x squared. This is positive 4x. As it crosses over, it becomes negative 4x. Already we have 6 there, right? Everything equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and I don't think it is factorable. But let us solve it using completing the square method. First of all, let us take 6 to the other side. We have x squared minus 4x. As 6 crosses over, it becomes negative 6. Okay, let me leave a space for something interesting. Negative 6. To make this a perfect squared, you have to take the coefficient of x divided by 2 and square the result. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2, right? Square that, you get 4. So you add 4 here, you also add 4 to the other side. This is now a perfect squared quadratic expression that can be factorized as x. Half of this is minus 2, right? Then you square everything. This is equal to negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Take square root of both sides. You have x minus 2 to the left, because square root will cancel this power of 2. This is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 2. Or should I write it directly? Because I know square root of negative 2 is what? Square root of 2i, because of this negative sign. So this is the same thing as square root of 2, then I outside. Finally, you can take negative 2 to the other side. Since we are solving for x, as negative 2 crosses over, it becomes positive 2. Then we still have plus or minus square root of 2i. But let me split it directly because we have the plus version and we equally have the negative version. So these are the two values of x. To determine the value of y, let's start with this first one. So let's consider this one as x1 and x2. So to find y1, this is our y, remember, it is equal to 4 minus x1, right? This is x1. We have minus, the whole of this x1 is 2 plus root of 2i. You know this negative sign is going to affect every single term inside. So it will be 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Then minus plus root 2 will give us minus root 2i. So you can see that when x is 2 plus root 2i, we have y to be 2 minus root 2i. Then the other one, y2, will be equal to what? 4 minus x2. What is x2? This is that. Let me write the negative sign directly. This will change this to minus. This will become plus, right? You see 4 minus 2 will give us what? 2. Then we still have plus root 2i, which implies that when x is 2 minus 2 root 2i, then y will be 2 plus root 2i. These are the solutions. Should we write them in pair? Okay, let's do that. We have x1, y1, 2 plus 2 plus root 2i, comma, That is the value of y. Then the value of x, that is the value of x. Then the value of y would be 2 minus root 2i. Then the other one, x2, y2. x2 is 2 minus root 2i, comma. Then the value of y will be the positive version of it. They are conjugate, right? So these are the solutions. Let us find out whether they're going to satisfy the equation or not. For the first equation, I don't think we have any problem because this is x plus y equal to 4. X plus y, you see, 2 plus 2 is 4. Then this is positive, this is negative, they will become 0. So this will definitely satisfy the first equation. Likewise, this is 2 making 4. Then this is negative, this is positive. And indeed, they will cancel, leaving 0. But for the product, if you decide to multiply x by y, you see they are nothing but difference of 2 squares in each case. So let us just test one. 2 plus root 2i times 2 minus root 2i. Difference of 2 squares, you take the first one, you square that, you subtract, you take the second one, you also square that. Pay attention, this is 4 minus square root of 2 squared. Power of 2 will cancel the square root, leaving 2. Then I squared is what? Negative 1. So the negative and the negative will transform it to positive. So you have 4 plus 2, which is indeed equal to 6. So it's satisfied. So these are the two solutions. It's either x is this and y is this, or you can switch them so that x becomes this and y becomes this. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.